The iPhone 17 Pro has just arrived, and the question on everyone's mind is simple. Is this Apple's true game changer, or just another Pro upgrade? Let's break it all down: design, cameras, performance, battery, and see if the Pro really lives up to the hype. Starting with design and display, Apple has refined both Pro sizes: 6.3 inches for the Pro and 6.9 inches for the Pro Max. The Super Retina XDR display supports ProMotion with adaptive refresh from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, delivering smooth scrolling and saving battery when idle. Peak brightness now hits 3,000 nits outdoors, making it the brightest iPhone screen yet. The body uses stronger Ceramic Shield 2 on both front and back, giving better scratch resistance and durability, while staying slim and stylish. The camera system is where things get exciting. The iPhone 17 Pro features a triple 48-megapixel fusion setup with wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses. The new telephoto delivers up to 8 times optical quality zoom, perfect for detail shots at a distance. On the front, the 18-megapixel center stage camera uses a square sensor for wider group selfies and smoother transitions. Add in ProRes RAW and dual capture video, and this phone is clearly designed with creators in mind. Under the hood, Apple powers the Pro with the A19 Pro chip, built on 3-nanometer technology. It's faster, more efficient, and optimized for on-device AI tasks. A new vapor chamber cooling system helps sustain performance during gaming, editing, or multitasking without overheating. Together, it makes this one of the most powerful smartphones on the market. Battery life is another highlight. The Pro Max now claims up to 39 hours of video playback, and both models support faster USB-C charging, hitting 50% in about 20 minutes with a high-watt adapter. This means less time plugged in and more time using your phone at full power. As for price and availability, the good news is that Apple hasn't raised the baseline. The iPhone 17 Pro starts around $1,099, while the Pro Max comes in at $1,199. Pre-orders open in mid-September, with shipping shortly after. New color options include silver, cosmic orange, and deep blue, though classic black is gone this year. So, is the iPhone 17 Pro Apple's big game changer? It depends. The brighter display, massive camera upgrades, stronger performance, and improved battery all feel like significant steps forward. If you're on an iPhone 15 Pro or older, the jump is huge. But if you already own a 16 Pro, the differences may feel more evolutionary than revolutionary. Either way, the iPhone 17 Pro continues to push boundaries and keep Apple at the top of the smartphone game, whether you call it a revolution or just another Pro.